And the car with the lowest horsepower in the list is the... Hi guys! So for today's video, pag-uusapan natin yung 5 sasakyan na available sa Pilipinas na may pinakamababang horsepower. It doesn't necessarily mean na just because mas mataas yung horsepower ay mas mabilis na siya. Okay, so there are many different factors, one of which is the aerodynamics. Siyempre, yung weight ng sasakyan mo, kadalasan kapag mas mabigat yung sasakyan, the tendency is mas nahihirapan siyang i-reach yung certain top speed, and of course, yung tinatawag natin na gearing. Minsan kasi guys, yung isang sasakyan is naka-gear towards mas malakas na paghatak or yung towing, and then meron namang geared para sa mas mabilis na performance. So today, we're gonna explore these cars which have the lowest horsepower available in the Philippines. So let's start. Let's have the Honda Brio SMT. So this one only has 89 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. So yung curb weight niya guys, ibig sabihin ng curb weight is ito yung weight niya kapag walang lamang pasahero. So it's 920 kilograms, and the number of cylinders is 4. And then according to teambhp.com, it has a top speed of 140 kilometers per hour. And it's priced at 735,000 pesos. Mind you guys na itong si Honda Brio yung tanging 4-cylinder dito sa list na to. Next, we have the Toyota Raze EMT, and it has a max output of 87 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. Curb weight niya guys is 1,035 kilograms. It has 3 cylinders, and according to autodeal.com.ph, it has a top speed of 150 kilometers per hour. And price nito, ng variant na to is 751,000 pesos. Next, we have the Mitsubishi Mirage, and the maximum output of this one is 76 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. Curb weight is 905 kilograms, so mas magaan siya kaysa sa Honda Brio. And then it also has 3 cylinders, top speed of 168 kilometers per hour. That's according to topspeed.com. And this particular variant is priced at 711,000 pesos. Top 2 is the Suzuki Espresso AGS. Now, this particular car has 66 horsepower at, take note, 5,500 RPM. And the curb weight, guys, is so significant because it's only 767 kilograms. Napakagaan niya guys for a car. So number of cylinders is 3. According to cmagazine.com, it has a top speed of 150 kilometers per hour, and napakamura niya guys, no? And the car with the lowest horsepower in the list is the Toyota Wigo GCVT. Now the Toyota Wigo has a max output of only 66 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. So ngayon magtataka kayo, di ba si Suzuki Express also has 66 horsepower, katulad ni Toyota Wigo? Please take note of the RPM. Si Suzuki Espresso can reach 66 horsepower at 5,500 RPM, whereas si Toyota Wigo can reach the same amount of power, 66 horsepower, but at a higher RPM, 6,000 RPM. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mas mag-work ni Toyota Wigo, kailangan mas mataas yung torque niya para maabot niya si 66 horsepower. That puts Toyota Wigo at the bottom of this list. 3 cylinders as well. And then top speed, according to autodeal.com, is 165 kilometers per hour. And the price of this variant is 729,000 pesos. So again guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, the top speed is not necessarily directly correlated sa horsepower ng isang sasakyan. Napakaraming factors na nagpe-play out. This just goes to show na just because mas mataas yung horsepower doesn't mean na mas mataas yung attainable top speed ng isang sasakyan. At the same time guys, there's a disclaimer here, no? Itong mga websites na to, they do individual tests. Independent yan sa isa't isa. Therefore, one website might not have the same result as the other websites. So ibig sabihin, depende kasi yan, no, sa road condition, depende yan sa driving style ng driver na nag-test drive. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Kung may natutunan kayo sa video na to, please hit the like button, and mag-subscribe na rin kayo guys, no, para mas updated kayo sa mga latest videos natin. Thank you guys and have a great day.